What's up guys, this is Trash Trackers here. Today we have a first gear unboxing video for you. Let's go ahead and open it up, see what's inside. Alright, I just cut the tape open, ripped my name off. So let's see what's inside. We should be getting a Curotto can and some first gear mini bins. Or is that what you call them? This is from Waste Promotional Products. They're a third-party seller, but they do sell first gear. Okay. Decent packing. And I think there should be an extra bin in here. I bought some GFLs and some extra. Alright, yes. Here we go. Let's take these bad boys out. So, huge thanks to Waste Promotional Products. He knew I was doing a review on Trash Trackers and threw in an extra bin. I do not have this color, so this is really nice. It's kind of like a brownish, a tannish brown, really cool. And then, of course, what I'm probably the most excited for is these GFL colored bins. I bought 2 pairs of them. They're actually like decently packaged. Let's open these up. Yes, these are beautiful. Let me show you the camera. Show the camera them. They're in sort of a palish lime green, if that makes sense. And these are not custom painted. These are from First Gear themselves. First Gear offers your colors for bins, but you have to like have a really high minimum order, which is what we got here. So we got a couple blacks and green, and just some green. On the camera they look bright lime. They're a little bit of a pale lime green, if that makes sense. Yeah, I love these. These are really cool. But I'm sure what all you guys wanted to see was the Curotto can. I do have another one of these. I got it a while ago. That was a sponsorship with Highland Environmental. I decided to get another one. The mini cans, these ones are $5.25 each. And the Curotto can, they're currently about I think $58. So pretty penny, but it's First Gear, so you know, makes sense. Don't want to cut the product at all. Very well packaged. Ah, yes. Here it is. I'm so excited about this. I got it in white. Let's see which way it opens up. I am going to keep this in the box. I just bought this to for my shelf and to show you guys, because I'm sure that you're interested in this as well. You get a blue can with it too. Very nice. Let's see. Arm should tilt out. There we go. Brand new. There we go. Can grab the can. Grippers are nice and decently tight. And then bring it up. Like that. That tip angle right there. These aren't perfectly lined up, but it's close. I'll put it back up. Let's try this with a real can. It came with a blue one. Not bad at all. Gosh, this is beautiful right here. But disclaimer, this is not a toy. This is for display purposes, pretty much only. This is die-cast metal which is strong, but there are moving parts that can definitely break pretty easily on this. This is why I'm just using it for display. Alright, so here's the products right here out in the open. I have it attached to my front loader right here. Looks pretty good. It's at the ground just because my it weighs so much, and my grippers are kind of loose. They come tight, but they loosen up pretty fast in the truck. Yeah, it fits really nicely. I want to show you the cans as well, a little bit more in depth, just so you know how they work. I mean, it's pretty straightforward, obviously, but they come with tightened lids. So sometimes you gotta like fling them back and forth a little bit. And then these are connected, the wheel connections. They actually stay on pretty nicely, but sometimes if you drop them, especially the older ones, these will fall off. You can just push them back on if you know where they are. Little note: the gripper kind of gets stuck on the arm right there, on the front load arm. Just a tiny bit. Not really a flaw, just a nitpick. Yeah, really cool. Like I said, the Curotto can is not a toy, it's just a display model. But these, I wouldn't say they're a toy either, but they're a little bit more durable. Like I use them for simulations, like on my rear loaders and stuff like that. And yeah, just don't leave these out. I put them on my shelf so they don't actually get stepped on. They're actually really decent quality. They're just made out of plastic. And they do have the bars right here so they can tip with your rear loaders. That's gonna do it for the video. Go ahead and subscribe, leave me a comment. Live here for you guys. And I also have Instagram accounts for trash trackers and trash can trackers where I show off some really cool garbage cans because I am a cart nerd. So go ahead and follow those for updates and new videos, and I'll see you guys in the next video.